Okay students, now next video, as I said you, the electromagnetic radiations. So here in electromagnetic radiations, the name itself saying electro and magnetic, right? The radiations, electro and magnetic radiations, or also we will call it as a waves. The radiations which are related to electric field and magnetic field, right? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವಾಟ್, electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiations. Okay, when it is produced, here we have given when electrically charged particle moves under acceleration. If any electrical charged particles, if it is start to move, right, with some acceleration, right, with some acceleration, there would a production of what, electric field and magnetic field. Hence we are going to telling this is what, magnetic radiations, right? Electric field, magnetic field, hence we are telling this is what electromagnetic radiations are producing. Now here main important thing, properties of electromagnetic radiations. Here oscillating means what, moving charged particles. As I said you here, this is the property only, this moving charged particle with electric field and magnetic field with some acceleration, so that is what, here electromagnetic radiation property. And these are all perpendicular. If one ray is going like this, which is perpendicular to the what, the surface, okay, this is in the direction with a perpendicular with respect to surface, or this may be wave of the particle, charge of the particle. They do not need any medium, right? If any wave wants to go from one medium to another medium, then it don't want any what, any medium. It means what, they can even travel in a vacuum medium. ವಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾನೆಚ್ಚು, vacuum means there should not be a presence of air, that one we are calling as a vacuum medium. So there a very rare case of what, propagation of the waves. So here we don't need any medium to pass the electromagnetic radiations. Now very important thing after this one, very important characteristics, right? Characteristics of what, electromagnetic radiations. Characteristics. The first one wavelength, right? Wavelength indicated by lambda. Next frequency, right? Frequency indicated by nu. And second one, velocity or velocity of light is indicated by v, right? Indicated by v or c. And wave number, that is nu bar. These are in examination they will ask, write the characteristics of EMR, electromagnetic radiations. So at that time you need to mention these 2 points, wavelength and velocity and wave number. So let us see what is wavelength, what is velocity, frequency, and what is this wave number. Okay, now see here we have mentioned it may be defined as the distance between the two neighboring crest and trough of the waves, right? So here I will show the wave nature you learnt in a 9th class like this. Okay, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Any wave is going like this, so this one we will call it as a crest, this one we will call it as a trough. Now this is the water crest. ಎರಡು ಕ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಎರಡು ಕ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ? ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಶೋನ್ ಯು ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಟೂ ಕ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಫ್ಸ್. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ? ಟ್ರಫ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ? ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ? ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇವ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ರೈಟ್, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇವ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸುತ್ತ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಫುಲ್ ವೇವ್. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? 1. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ, ರೈಟ್, 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೇವ್ ಹೋಯ್ತಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಅದೀಗ 2 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ 2 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ 2 waves, for 2 seconds 2 waves, for 1 second 1 waves. So like this it may be depend upon the nature of the what elements or atoms present in the compound. It will emits a different kinds of waves. So here what is frequency? Frequency is denoted by nu per second. Right, per second how many waves are forming, that one we are calling as what? Frequency here. Next, velocity you know, distance by what? Time. Here also we will consider 1 second, how much distance is traveled. For example, this one is the ray, this one is the ray or wave traveling from here to here. How much distance it is traveled? Total here to here 20 centimeter. Right, 20 centimeter per second. This one we will considering as a what? V, that is velocity. I said in the before, velocity of light or velocity we will considering by V or C. The C value is 3 into 10 raised to 8. The velocity unit is meter per second anta ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So here that we have written 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Next, last wave number. Right, wave number is defined as the number of wavelengths per unit length. Right, so here wave number is denoting by nu bar. What they are saying? The number of wavelengths. See, the number of wavelength lambda. Right, per unit length, per length. Right, per length. So lambda by length is called what? Wave number. So here we are taking one relation, velocity of light or simply velocity is equal to frequency into wave length. We know velocity of light c, and here frequency is nu bar. Right, here we have taken into wavelength lambda. Right, c is equal to what? Nu lambda. This is the one relation. C means velocity of light, this nu means what? Frequency, lambda means wavelength. This is all about the electromagnetic radiation. So in the next class we will see what here the notes is there. You just read by pausing the videos, and also I will send the notes. Okay, next class we will see the quantum theory explained by the Planck's constant. Thank you.